Alright. Spin up here a little bit. So we're going to see how this does. This lowers the front end down about an extra ½ inch. Didn't quite have it down an inch last time. This time it's down a full inch. So it should do quite a bit better. Oh! Okay. And I've got the little outriggers raised up quite a bit further. I gotta do my brake trim. Out here. I got something to adjust here. Yeah, that's much better. It's kind of lacking on the brake feel. I've been doing some adjusting, but it's testing those adjustments. Yeah, I think I'm just about ready to contemplating taking those outriggers off. It's hard to say though. They do help with, being slow. I gotta figure out what direction I need to turn the wheel. When I do that type of stuff, I always do it in the opposite direction I think I should. So I forget there's a gyroscope in here. I'm gonna walk in this direction. Oh yeah. Didn't quite sure what was that. Oh! I was not expecting that. Actually, I got too much front brake travel here. Hang on a second. No stunt today. We're working on it. Giving the adjustments more where it should be. Just takes trial and error. There we go. Find out what works and what doesn't work. Okay, a little rambunctious. Add a little more brake travel, just a smidge or two. Oh! Stop. Right out of room. shit, put the wrong one. I think this is actually the road mode here. No, that's... Okay, that's the faster mode. Keeps it from wheeling as much, almost totally. That's when you're faster. Oh, I'm about out of battery now. Let's see if I can make over back to the camera. That's all it's speeding up. That's it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back. Oh, nope, I gotta walk. Okay, well, I'll turn the flywheel off anyways. Whew. Oh, chilly. Hopefully I get all three cameras more color corrected and the brightness and all that adjusted to equal, or to be equal. That was a pretty good run. I got right here before the end of the light. And surprisingly, the Go 3S does a really, really good job of low light compared to GoPro. It does way better. Alright, well anyways, this is, I don't know if you can even see it, but right there, just got a couple of washers that has spacers and some longer bolts and then a washer to hold. It's just a simple chain like you would have on a 4-foot, you know, fluorescent light bulb or a shop light, like a 4-foot shop light chain. Just something like that, light duty chain. And down here it's anchored to where this is screwed in, a little bit longer than stock bulb and a washer. And that way it's nice and rigid on the upstroke. But it's also, with this here, it's not flopping around and causing an issue. So, and it still has plenty, as you can see, plenty of suspension travel in the front. Also in the back, I've got, you can see it back in there. Got the preload adjusted pretty stiff on it. About like 24, not quite full turns, or about a third of a turn each, so probably 6 to 8 full turns on the shock preload. And to help just keep that rear stiffer, since it's for now, it's road only. I'm not yet ready to take it on the dirt, even though I've got the tires for it. I'm having too much fun here in the parking lot. Alright, I'm gonna get make some fluorescent little cones, discs, so I can kind of have a little bit of a, not really a full track, but you know, where I can do more precise type driving. Right now I'm just rallying around, getting used to it. Alright, turn this one off. And unplug that.
You want us to move?
Oh no, I'm finished up.
I didn't want to ruin the shot, man.
Oh no, I'm finished up. Yep.